Want to learn how to hide category level on Instagram or how to hide category on Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can see that currently my category level is clothing brand just below AMS15. That's my username. So to change it, we need to tap on edit profile below, scroll down, tap on profile display below. Here you can see an option of display category level and it's currently enabled right now. So to disable it, tap on this sliding bar on the right corner straight to display category level, just like this. And now you can save it by tapping on the stick option on the top right corner. Again, you need to tap on the stick option to make your profile updated. So you can see just below AMS15 there is no any category level after this. So this is how you remove your category on Instagram. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.